Look at my nails, it's all chapped and the color has been faded, so I thought to repaint my nails. So firstly I'll be grabbing this dip and twist nail remover bottle, and then I'll be selecting one of the nail polishes in this tray. So I just removed nail paint and this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna paint my nails right now. So now I'll be preparing the lunch, so I just thought like let me just show you the way I prepare and all. So you must have seen me like in most vlogs I do cook well. So I thought like today I'll be just showing you the way I prepare and all, the process and all. So yeah, let's cook. So this is the washed spinach, and the water should boil, then I'm going to be adding the spinach to the water. Okay, so the water is boiling now. I'm just going to add the spinach into the water. So it was afternoon. I was just watching YouTube videos, like it's already 2:37. So it's already 2:37 and I was just watching YouTube videos and I was just time passing. So I just thought of cleaning this charging cable wire. So I have this habit of cleaning in the sense like sanitizing the wires and earphones, not earphones. So not only like after corona and all, but before that also I used to do the same thing. By the way, I sound so low because I'm not well, you can make out from my face. And also I just thought of showing you my sanitizer collection, a small one, but I do have the cute cases for the sanitizer, so I'm just going to get it and show it to you. So I store my sanitizers in this box. So as you can see, like I did have a lot of things, lot of sanitizers, but I have used like almost all the sanitizers are empty, like 5 are empty already. Like you can just see it's just empty bottle sanitizers. I have like only 3 left, sanitizer left out. First one is strawberry, second one is green apple flavored, and third one is blackcurrant. So these are the 3 which is like the filled bottles. So So I really like the smell and it just smells so good. I just like this. And for these cases, I do have these cute cases. The first one is panda and the second one is this owl. I did have another one, like I think it's in my bag. I'm just going to show you. So this is the elephant one. So yeah, I have this cute cases for the sanitizers too. This is the first one, second, okay, and third. Yeah, I know I'm sounding very low because I'm not well. So yeah, how I clean this, like I'm just going to take the sanitizer and take some tissue, just pour a few drops on tissues and just wipe it off. I'm just going to show you my. So I have taken the tissue right here and I'm going to take a sanitizer. Okay, I'm just going to use this Himalaya because you can just see there's very like a little amount is left, so I'm just going to, you know, like use it off. I'm just going to pour a drop or two and then take the cable and just wipe it off. See, as you can just see, you know, the dirt which has come out. So this is how I clean. I'm just gonna take sanitizer, tissue and just wipe it off like this, like 3 or 4 times unless all the dirt come out. And this is how I clean my charging cable wires and my earphones and all. So yeah, I just thought of sharing it with you the way I do. So yeah, maybe it may be useful for you also and keep your chargers and earphones clean. But I just wanted to show you the stencils which I've just washed and kept out for sun dry. I'm just going to show you. I mean, stencils means the Rangoli stencils. So yeah, I just want to show that, and I've kept the tea, like I'm preparing the tea. So meanwhile the tea is done, I'm just going to show you what I've like kept outside. I'm just going to show the designs also, like how many stencils I have and all. So yeah. So these are the stencils which I've just placed it, like I've washed it and I've just placed it. So you can just see how fresh it looks. And this is the other one, kept it for drying. Once it's like completely dried, I'm just gonna take it and keep it inside. Just have a look at the clouds, how beautiful.